When a service has a meter socket connected to the service equipment using a metallic raceway, the bonding screw within the meter socket must be removed. Bonding bushings should be installed at both ends of this metallic raceway. A bonding jumper must connect these bonding bushings to the neutral bar located within the service equipment. This bonding jumper ensures electrical continuity and provides a low impedance path for fault currents, enhancing safety and minimizing electrical hazards. The sizing of this bonding jumper is crucial and must comply with the National Electrical Code, specifically Section 250.66. NEC 250.66 dictates the minimum size requirements for bonding jumpers based on the size of the service entrance conductors. The primary reason for removing the bonding screw in the meter socket is to prevent objectionable current from flowing through the metallic raceway. With the bonding screw in place, the raceway could become a parallel path for neutral current, which is undesirable and can lead to overheating and other problems. Installing bonding bushings at both ends of the raceway and connecting them with a properly sized bonding jumper establishes a dedicated bonding pathway. This pathway ensures that any fault current will safely return to the source, tripping the overcurrent protective device and energizing the circuit. The bonding jumper's size must correlate with the size of the service entrance conductors to effectively handle potential fault currents. To correctly size the bonding jumper according to NEC 250.66, you must first determine the size of the service entrance conductors. Once the size of the service entrance conductors is known, refer to NEC 250.66 to find the corresponding minimum size for the bonding jumper. For example, if the service entrance conductors are 4/0 American wire gauge copper, NEC 250.66 requires a minimum of number 2 American wire gauge copper for the bonding jumper. It's crucial to consult the specific edition of the NEC being enforced in your jurisdiction, as requirements can change between editions. Additionally, local amendments may further modify or supplement the NEC requirements. Therefore, always check with the local electrical inspector or authority having jurisdiction to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. Proper installation of bonding bushings is also essential. These bushings must be securely fastened to the metallic raceway and provide a reliable connection point for the bonding jumper. The bonding jumper should be connected to the bonding bushing using approved methods such as listed connectors or exothermic welding. The connection must be mechanically sound and electrically conductive to ensure effective bonding. In addition to NEC 250.66, other sections of the NEC may also be relevant to the bonding of metallic raceways and service entrance installations. For example, NEC 250.92 specifies the requirements for bonding service equipment, including the methods for connecting bonding jumpers to enclosures and other metallic parts. NEC 250.102 provides additional guidance on sizing bonding jumpers and conductors. Furthermore, it is important to understand the difference between grounding and bonding. Grounding refers to connecting electrical equipment to the earth, while bonding refers to connecting metallic parts together to create a low impedance path for fault currents. Both grounding and bonding are essential for electrical safety, but they serve different purposes. Grounding helps to stabilize voltage and provide a reference point for the electrical system, while bonding helps to minimize the risk of electric shock by ensuring that metallic parts are at the same electrical potential. In summary, when installing a service with a meter socket connected to the service equipment via a metallic raceway, remember to remove the bonding screw in the meter socket. Install bonding bushings at both ends of the raceway. Connect a bonding jumper from the bonding bushings to the neutral bar in the service equipment, and size the jumper according to NEC 250.66. By following these steps, you can ensure a safe and code-compliant electrical installation. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local regulations for specific requirements, and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions to protect yourself and others from electrical hazards. The proper bonding of metallic raceways and service entrance installations is a critical aspect of electrical safety and should not be overlooked. Neglecting to properly bond these raceways can increase the risk of electric shock, fire, and equipment damage. Therefore, it is essential to follow all applicable codes and regulations and to use qualified personnel for all electrical work.